My name is Mike Sullivan. I'm a former IRS agent and teaching instructor with IRS. Welcome to my YouTube station. I have done this a long time, 5 decades. I have worked at IRS for a number of years. I have a whole team of former IRS agents on staff. I thank many of you for the referrals you've given me. I'm here to tell you the truth. So I kind of pull the curtain back. What makes me unique is I've been there. I've done this a long time, and unlike other people who've worked cases and I've learned what's behind the scenes and what IRS does in every situation because I work those situations. So I want to talk to you today about offer and compromise and the 3 most important tips I can give you. I am an expert in these. I used to work the offer at IRS, which gives us a really unique perspective. We know all the internal formulas. We know what they look for. We know what they don't. Peter Salinger of my office has worked 3,000 offers and compromise, working as a branch manager up in New York, actually in Manhattan. So, here's what I want to tell you. There's 3 things you have to know about the offer and compromise. The first is always write a cover letter. Cover letter, you'll never hear anybody say that but me. I can tell you that because I worked them. You work one after the other, after the other, after the other, after the other, and they just all are there. You've got to separate yourself from another. I also suggest you write in colored paper. Type it on colored paper so that it separates you. You've got to explain yourself. See, the forms don't tell you, the IRS, what's going on in your life. You must color your offer and compromise. If you do this and you got a half decent chance to get it through, it's going to go a long way because nobody else does this. Write a cover letter and let them know why you're in the situation and document it. The second thing is you must be current on all your tax filings, your estimate payments, or federal tax deposits. If you're not, IRS is going to kick back the case. The third is make sure all the forms are filled out correctly. Why? You're making a covenant with Internal Revenue Service that's enforceable. Most people have no idea. They send it out and boom, it comes right back. The fourth and the most important tip that I can give you, the most important tip, is understand the National Standard Program. What is the National Standard Program? It simply means that IRS is going to take your expenses and adjust it to the Department of Labor. And those expenses are not what you think. And what I suggest you do is you go to IRS and put up national standards for food and clothing, housing and utilities. You'll populate your state and then your county, car payments and car expenses. IRS is going to erase what you put in there and put their expenses in for the offer. Do not file an offer and compromise. Do not try to make a payment. Do not try to get put on collectible unless you know what the National Standards Program is. If not, you're going to have a really bad hair day. Thank you for listening. Give me a subscription. I appreciate the referrals. We have a whole team of former agents. Thank you.